these motivational concepts are very popular. Point number one, what you say or what you do. There are amazing videos how people are achieving amazing things. A lot of these, sport videos where people are jumping, breaking world records, or someone who is actually, crafting amazing dish in the kitchen. So what you can say or what you can do is what will get you ahead of the curve. All the people who are trying to over edit, they're just making so much editing. They're having a 30 seconds clip that they're editing 3 hours just to make a super edit with these crazy transitions. This is no longer what works. This was the old concept number one. The second old concept was simply to use trending sounds. This is no longer working on Instagram Reels. The third concept that a lot of people are still using, and it's mind-blowing, is that people are utilizing like optimum hashtag, like 30 hashtags on post. Like, people are crazy. Instead of focusing on 3 to 5 hashtags, and also instead of focusing on putting more content underneath the video, explaining what is the video about and helping the algorithm. Remember, you should not confuse the algorithm. You should help the algorithm deliver your video in front of the right audience. So in terms of you helping it make the life easier for the algorithm, remember, it's a machine. It's not a human being. The algorithm does not have a common sense. So if they don't use a common sense, you should give him prompts.